Hi guys, I'm so sorry our science class was cut short. Thank you so much, however, for quickly logging off and allowing Mateo, Irwin, and myself to practice exiting the building safely in case of a fire. So thank you very much. I just wanted to mention a few things before you guys head off to spring break. I posted an assignment in Google Classroom. It's under classwork. It's a super easy one, guys. It's called Welcome Back. All right. This is what I want you guys to work on over spring break so that when you come back Monday, April 5th, you are ready. Look at that. Looks like one student already turned it in. They may have to redo it. We'll see. Anyways, let's look at the assignment. It's called Spring Break Selfie. So during your spring break, I'm sure you're going to do fun things, whether, and it could be anything, all right? I just want to hear about it. And that's what this assignment is all about. What I want you to do is take a selfie of something that you do over spring break. It could be anything, maybe watching a movie with your family. Maybe you had dinner, or maybe you helped your mom and dad make dinner. Um, Maybe you were able to go to the movie theater or bowling, anything, ride a bike, anything that you want to share about your spring break. All right. Whatever you're doing, maybe you worked on a puzzle, played board games, whatever it is, take a quick selfie, quick picture, and then you're going to post it here. So, what I want you to do is delete this guy. We don't know who that is, but how awesome would it be if we actually get to fly some kites? Delete him, and you would go to Insert, Image, and Upload from Computer, since most of you guys will be taking pictures with your iPads. I'm sure your parents could always help in case they need to, but yeah, I just want a picture of something you do over spring break and answer these 5 questions. Where was the picture taken? What were you doing? Was it fun? Who was with you? What else do you want to share? Alrighty, but that's it. That's all we're asking you to do over spring break. If you have any questions, please email me. And lastly, I just want to wish you guys all a safe and relaxing spring break. All right, you guys have 10 days off. You guys deserve it. We will see you guys back here at 7:45 on Monday, April 5th. Alrighty, bye guys. We'll see you then.